Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about the starter credit cards. Now starter credit cards are typically for those looking to build or improving their credit card secure. Unsecured and student credit card are common options with the starter card family. So the starter credit card is one of the types of credit card that has been offered by JP Morgan Chase Bank. What you have to do is if you wish to go ahead and know more about it, you just have to go ahead and open up a browser and on the web address bar type in the link that is www.creditcards.cheese.com/new to credit cards. I'm also going to leave the link on my description box below. That's going to take you to the official page. So this particular credit card is also an alternative of student credit card, or it is mostly used for that purpose. Now, first of all, the features that has been offered by the starter credit card is that secure cards are credit card that typically requires a security deposit, which operates as a card member's spending limits. The deposit is normally returned when the card member closes the account or if the lender transitions the account from secure to unsecured. Likewise, unsecured credit card does not usually require a deposit as collaterals, and students' credit card are meant for students with little or to no credit card, depending on the card as well. So some applications may require a security deposit or some form of credit card history, while others may not. So some students' cards come with a student friendly reward as well. Likewise, you can see this is how the interface is going to look like. So here under the starter credit card, there is a single type of credit card, that is Cheese Freedom Rice. If you wish to go ahead and apply for it, read the instruction first of all and click on apply now button, and you could begin with the procedure. So that is what a starter credit card offers. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.